Hello everyone. Yesterday we have completed our chapter number 1. So this time it's time for your exercise part, which is on page number 11 of your book. See the first part, thinking about language. Question number 1. Find the sentences in the lesson which have the adverbs given in the box below. That is the activity that should be done by you. मीन्स आप लोगों को चैप्टर के गो थ्रू होना है एंड जो भी यहाँ पर वर्ड्स दिए हैं, जो भी एडवर्ब्स दिए हैं, ऑफुली, सॉरोफुली, कम्प्लीटली, लॉफ्टली, केयरफुली, डिफरेंटली, क्विकली एंड नॉन कैलेंटली, ये जहाँ पर भी चैप्टर में मार्क्ड हैं वो सब आपको अंडरलाइन करना है दैट कंप्लीट सेंटेंस. सो दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ योर एक्टिविटी. नाउ सी दिस. यूज दीज एडवर्ब्स इन द to fill in the blanks in the sentences below. First one, the report must be read. इसका होगा carefully so that performance can be improved. So first answer will be carefully. Second, at the interview, Sameer answered our questions loftily, shrugging his shoulders. तो समीर वाले का होगा आंसर loftily. Third, we all behave differently when we are tired or hungry. So third answer will be differently. Fourth one, the teacher shook her head sorrowfully when Ravi lied to her. So fourth answer is sorrowfully. Fifth, I dash forgot about it means I completely forgot about it. So answer number 5 is completely. Coming to sixth, when I complimented Revati on her success, she just smiled nonchalantly and turned away. Answer sixth is nonchalantly. Seventh, the president of the company is awfully busy and will not be able to meet you. So seventh answer is awfully. Eighth, I finished my work quickly so that I could go out to play. So answer number 8 is quickly. Moving towards question number 3 on page number 12. Make adverbs from the following adjectives. You know adverbs में क्या आता है? ILY या फिर LY at the last. So angry का क्या होगा? Angrily. Happy का happily. Merry merrily. Sleepy sleepily. Easy easily, noisy noisily, tidy tidily and gloomy gloomily. आपको सब में ILY लगाना है लास्ट में, रिमूविंग Y. सारे के सारे Y एडवर्ब्स हैं यहाँ पर. तो जब भी आप Y एडवर्ब्स को बनाते हैं, मीन्स एडजेक्टिव से एडवर्ब्स बनाते हैं जिसके लास्ट में Y होता है, तो Y को रिमूव कर कर आपको सारी स्पेलिंग्स में लगाना है ILY. ओके. Coming to if not unless questions. See there, it's given there, complete the following conditional sentences and use them in the correct form of the verb. So all these I have written. Just go through that exercise part. See this, thinking about the language. These are the answers of adverbs. First question which we have discussed. And then second question, make adverbs of the following adjectives, and the next question, if not unless, complete the following conditionals. So all the answers I have marked. Just go through them and fill them in your books. Thank you class. With this we have completed your chapter number 1 part A.